Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back. I'm so happy you found me. I am Tiara with Loving with Tiara. It is early in the morning and I am sitting in my car getting ready to go into the gym. Tried to wear some whatever I had on last night, makeup, and that didn't work out so well. So now I'm going for the red lips. Why? Because it was in the car. Why do I want it? It's pretty. Anyhow, this is matte, so I need to get this on here and keep moving all at the same time. Some people believe money is time, time is money. I believe time is of the essence. I'm trying to learn how to master my time, but realize that it's not real all at the same time. It's just relative. Meaning, I leave sometimes and I'm late and I'm still right on time, most times. And that applies even when you don't see it. When you don't know why, you're late and things didn't work out and all this other stuff. You might have just missed your accident and you would have been rushing and got into it. So, time. That's not what I want to talk to you guys about. What did I want to talk to you about? Oh, sitting in the car just eating soup at 6 o'clock in the morning. I think it was. I started probably sitting here at like 5:30. But I made that soup this morning and decided that's what I want for breakfast. I love being able to do what I'm doing right now, being free. If there is a benefit to being single, this is it. But you don't have to be single to establish the same types of freedom. You should be able to be without being in a relation or being in a relationship or without being in a relationship. You should still be able to not have a tether. Yeah, we just got deep this morning, heck deep, real quick. I'm sitting here just eating soup. That's all I wanted to do before I go in the gym. One, I love the fact that I don't need to explain to anybody why I'm eating soup. Not that Eric was like that, but people are. Like, why are you eating that for breakfast? Yeah, to share those things too. You know you do. But we should never do that to people. It's not our business what they eat in the morning. They're grown. I mean, our kids, yeah, guide them, monitor them, do what you're supposed to get them where they need to go. But your mate, no. If that bro or sis or Ben wants to eat, what, cake in the morning? Let him eat cake. And not in that kind of way. You know what I mean? Let that person eat cake. Seriously. If they want to eat cake for breakfast and it's because that's what they want to do, not because they have no choice, that's just leftovers from yesterday and that's all they have. If that's it, then get involved and give them some love and some food. Feed them, love them, by all means. But if it's someone who just wants to eat cake for breakfast because they're having a craving or, they might be feeling like they're missing a friend of theirs who passed away or whatever their connection is, mind your business and let them eat it. In my case, my soup. I just want to eat my soup in the morning in peace. Not every morning. Some days I just want to have French fries on the way into the gym. Yeah. Sometimes I'm missing my dad and I want to stop by Home Depot and get some Lay's. And that was his favorite chip and I enjoy it. Ooh, good lighting. Thank you so much, sir. Look at me. Oh, car went by. Darn it. But there I am back basking like a pregnant woman, which we know I'm not. Anyhow, oh, I love the way the light looks on my face. I need better lighting. Let me wrap this up and let you know that eat your breakfast, whatever it is that you want. Enjoy it. Enjoy it, enjoy it, enjoy it. Make sure you take your time, you masticate your food, that you make love to it. And I mean in a very intimate way. It went and it traveled far to get to your body, and it has to travel far to reach the cells that it needs to provide the nutrients to make your body work like it does. Yeah, so make sure that you give it what it deserves and what it wants. Listen to it, meditate with it, sit still with it, be at peace with it. Until next time, you guys, stay loving, be at peace, empathize with everyone around you. I don't care who they are. Try to find you in them somehow. Somehow, try to understand where they're coming from. No matter who it is, no matter what they're talking about, challenge yourself every day to empathize with each person you meet, to love them as though they are yourself. I mean, it's something we were supposedly raised, a lot of us, to do. Do it. Do it. And don't do it because someone told you to. Do it because your heart says, this doesn't feel, or this does feel. And do what your heart feels, not what everybody tells you. All right, loves, until next time, I'm gonna get in here, take me one more bite of this vegan soup. What's in it? It started off as greens, veggie greens with some mushroom broth flavoring container. Trader Joe's now has a mushroom seasoning or something, so I put some of that in there with some veggie broth and some sweet peppers, garlic, of course, some, actually a yellow onion this time. I usually go with a red onion, but I went with a yellow onion, and I sauteed vegetables on the side with some amino acids, carrots sauteed on the side of those and re-added because I don't like how they just dominate. Those carrots, especially the multicolored ones, they just dominate your dish, just like, I'm like, I don't necessarily want it sweet. I don't like sweet savory, so I have to saute that on the side and then put it in there. But what else? What else was in there? A whole bunch of stuff. Just put all your veggies in there. So this morning I threw all those veggies in my soup. Made a bigger soup, a heartier soup, and that's what I'm eating this morning. There was spinach in there, there's collard greens, mustard greens. I was missing my folks, and that's what I'm doing when I'm grieving. I'm also grieving through healing through food, and that's another way that you can do. Make sure that you have to adjust some of those recipes sometimes, but you can still heal yourself. Like now I'm grieving, I'm dealing with death and the works. So as I do that, I hold on to my family, to my loved ones with their greens. You know, they raised me eating them, and I'm like, I can't eat them quite with the pork and stuff in there, and I do need a little bit more coloring. I like the colors, like rainbow, yay! I gotta make sure that, you know, everybody, leprechauns and lesbians and LGBTQYZ, my loves, I want to make sure everybody knows, so I just put everything in my food, like rainbows everywhere, Skittles, rainbows, mermaids, rainbows, unicorns, rainbows. Everybody loves rainbows. Scientists, rainbows. So, toesies, rainbows. Okay, I'm out of here. I gotta get in this gym, you guys, because I'll be out here all day. No, I won't. But, all right, you guys, take care. Bye.